Can anybody tell me where the Blarney roses grow? Some say down in Limerick town and more say in Mayo. They're somewhere in the Emerald Isle and this I'd like to know. Can anybody tell me where the Blarney roses grow? 'Twas in the glens of Antrim near the town of Cushendall. One morning met a damsel there, the fairest of them all. 'Twas with me young affections and me money she did go. She told me she belonged to where the Blarney roses grow. Her cheeks were like red roses and her hair a raven hue. Before that she had done with me, she had me raving too. She surely left me stranded, not the kind she left, you know. Did the damsel that belonged to where the Blarney roses grow? Can anybody tell me where the Blarney roses grow? Some say down in Limerick town and more say in Mayo. They're somewhere in the Emerald Isle and this I'd like to know. Can anybody tell me where the Blarney roses grow? There's roses in Killarney and there's some in County Clare, but upon me word those roses, boys, I can't find anywhere. She promised me and by the power she left me broke also. To the damsel that belonged to where the Blarney roses grow. A cush le gra cree, young man, she murmured soft to me. If you belong to Ireland, it yourself belongs to me. Our Donegal, come on, you brogue, it captured me, you know. Bad luck to her and good luck to the place where the Blarney roses grow. Can anybody tell me where the Blarney roses grow? Some say down in Limerick town and more say in Mayo. They're somewhere in the Emerald Isle and this I'd like to know. Can anybody tell me where the Blarney roses grow? Can anybody tell me where the Blarney roses grow? Some say down in Limerick town and more say in Mayo. They're somewhere in the Emerald Isle and this I'd like to know. Can anybody tell me where the Blarney roses grow?